Welcome to the Premier Gal annual NAB show giveaway. Just go to premiergal.com/giveaways for a chance to win over $3,000 worth of prizes. There are multiple ways to enter. The more ways you enter, the more chances you have at winning. So what can you win? First up is the Adobe Creative Cloud subscription. You will have access to all apps, Premiere Pro, After Effects, Audition, Photoshop, and much more. And after that, there's the Logic keyboard, backlit with Premiere Pro shortcuts to speed up your editing workflow. Also, thanks to our friends at BORIS Effects, you can win an annual BORIS Effects bundle, which includes Mocha Pro, Sapphire, and Continuum, so you can chroma key professionally, motion track professionally, and add amazing film transitions and looks. And next is the SL600 Editor's Keys microphone. It's a USB microphone that you can plug into your computer for live streaming, for professional voiceovers, for singers, and you can record in style with the beautiful orange interface. And next up is a Soundstripe membership. Unlimited music for filmmakers all around the world. For just $15 a month, you can download and license any type of music for any project. And up next is the RemoteView K1 4K self-stabilizing camera. You can turn it on and you can see there's an LCD screen, and as you move, it self-stabilizes. Thanks, RemoteView. And thanks to our partners at B&H Photo, you can win a Genere floodlight LED light, as well as a light stand. Thanks to our friends at Seagate and LaCie, you can win a LaCie 2TB rugged hard drive, so you can edit on the go and look pretty fancy at the same time. You can also win a Pond5 membership. You can access up to 10 downloads of stock video, music, and photos each month. And thanks to our friends at Joby, you can get a GorillaPod rig with arms so you can attach lights and other elements like microphones as you film. And after that is the Production Crate membership. Get access to hundreds of thousands of lens flares, motion graphics, magic powers, so many awesome effects to make your video awesome. And lastly, but certainly not least, is the YoloBox by YoloLive, allowing you to live stream to Facebook and YouTube at the same time. Thanks, YoloLive. Hey you guys, it's Premier Gal here. I just want to say thank you to all of the sponsors for being a part of this giveaway. If you want to contribute to the giveaway, you can contact me at contact@premiergal.com. And don't forget, I'll be adding new ways to enter as the competition goes on. So check back in every week, even if you've already entered. And the more ways that you enter, the more points you get and the more chances that you can win. And I'll be drawing 4 winners this time. I may add more depending on if we get more products. Thank you guys so much, and I look forward to the NAB show.